Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, Rata is very silly actually. There was no need to comment about into kade for ukuthi ene a comic relief and a judge must be the one to choose the friend of the courts. Just leave the first things. Maumela wam abuser enough. Just leave him. When I'm coming nale abuser kuloku uhlukumeza abantu lapho. Please, you Rata guys, like can't even hold myself around him. Like there's no need for that. I also always mshololo. Where's your colleague? Oh, what's oh, he's still busy with that matter. I guess she was also there. It's that intelligence people that were arrested there for fraud and other things that were happening there in that department was Abona Labo, Utumsani and his entourage. You know, we don't even want to go there. But I don't want to go there. But guys, there's no need. Just concentrate on the sense of Mayor case. And then keep the envelopes coming. That's all. We are getting these have nothing to do with you. Rata is actually very silly for a 79-year-old, and then the next Uzoti Baloi, you're also laughing. Guys, it's not actually funny. Because you know why they don't like Umalisela Def and they think he's a joke? It's because he's telling the truth about what happened at Kelly's. There were no intruders and he's in that house. He's repeating the same thing every day, and then they just like whatever, please. These 5 are going down. Guys, if you've been watching my videos, there is where I said about 3 months ago, you know, Brigadier Ginend is so good with lies and to a point where he must just write books. I don't know if law will ever work for him because this guy is just going to have to go to jail. In his movie, Manje, he's got so many people. Osidik, Ofano. Angitshele in the movie. It's just a lot of people that this guy has brought us. Like how I would normally say with him. He brought us basically half of SAPS. It's so crazy. Just so that you can pin people that didn't analyze sensor. Guys, now is just like he messed up. He caused so much chaos. I don't even know where to begin. It's just too much. And Durata is sitting there thinking this is funny. You know? You've been a judge for how long now? You can't say this is crap. No, actually you are the one that came up with Kelly's story. How can I come up with that? How can I come up with this? I don't even know Kelly. You remember, guys, I even said how they should actually, the accused put it. I don't even know Senzo Mewa like that. And I also don't know Kelly Kumalo like that. Maybe I would have heard about him, Ugutu is saying, but I don't know her like that though. Oh, like how Fisoguhle now, accused number 5 is the one that was actually going to, I'm going to just say, portion, give the money to all of them. And Kelly had given the money to him. No, guys. It's just a lot. Apinda Tukininda, no, actually, she is a mastermind. But Ukeli has told us, guys, she has moved on and healed. How can you heal, guys? From Baba Mdanako or Shronel again? How do you wake up when you are now healed all of a sudden? I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they do it, honestly. It's the same as the JMPD guy. In arresting this guy, and then now he was kicking him at the guys, it's too much. Kicking him and plastic, he was also there. The JMPD guys. Jani guys, how? I was just like Senzo Mewa's case in George was supposed to go straight to Madlang or to ad hoc, straight for the whole day. Because they need to help us with this case, guys. It's actually overdue, these lies. I bet my Chukininda is coming out actually with these lies there. Because this is what happened, and then accused number 1, Umuzi Kaukulelos is gonna be telling us other things. Chukininda is lied. Let's why is moving now. It's got too many extras also. uzubona ukuthi unamanga uzungu babeqala ukummitha ngo-2017 usesi babesebasuthi hostel with them. Ayi guys, yabona uzungu is like I said on my other title yesterday ukuthi he's caused a lot of chaos. Yes, yabo uyena masubuka kahle owafida uGininda, or uGininda actually asked him ukuthi bra wena, it looks like you can actually come up with a story so you know these people from emakhaya, from your village, you know labantu lapha, you need to help me out bra, I'm in trouble la, sesikhokhela imali eningi kakhulu, we can't be messing up. Guys, they've messed up though. Just before they adjourned today, umuzi kaKhulelwa Sibiya kept on saying ukuthi, you know what, angazi lutho mina ngokufa kaSenzomiwa, I can do whatever you need to do, like angazi next, you know, ngisasho namanje enkantolo ukuthi I don't know anything about Senzomiwa's passing or unaliving. I wasn't there, like angazi next. So kwathuleke court umbono right ukuthi he wanted to say something, but it was just like, nah, let me just keep quiet. And at some stage, he wanted to show them like how the plastic, how it went down, how they put or they covered him around his head with the plastic. They wanted to use someone. They started laughing. Oh, even Gishumnisi was a newsroom Africa was laughing. Even Gishu advocate Charles Smith was also laughing. Uramusipile was cracking up. He was just like, it's fine, I get it. I'm sure the court does understand how the plastic was put over your head. We actually enough of that story. It's not a nice story, guys. Like, who wants to see that? Who are we going to use in courts actually to put that plastic over them? That's just crazy things. That demonstration, it was just not even nice. You know, guys, these guys mentally, they're not fine. Eh? The 5 accused. Guys, this is just crazy. Guys, mhlambe mas estimate ukusuka la mhlambe in Johannesburg to go to emahlabathini kubo kaMuzi Sibiya will be about 6 to 8 hours. Ngiyacabangela nje ngikwazi emahlabathini. Mina ngivele emlazi kahle hle. So I wouldn't know ukuthi emahlabathini kukuphi. I grew up emlazi mina, 0 to 18 years. I've been in Johannesburg for how long now? Starting by staying in Pretoria. So I'm just like, guys, kukude. He says it in it the whole time. I guys babkhohlake loGininda. Yay. Esokweni khona ilabe yakhona. Ngicina lapho guys. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Nginthanda over.